Hello there, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomparada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a program using Perl as our programming language to solve the circumference of the circle. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are here in our text editor, so the first thing that I will do is to write the comment, so we have here circumference .pl. This is the name of our file name of our program, and then we have here author, Jake Rodriguez Pomparada. And then we have here the date, October 30, 2019, 4:51 AM, Wednesday. Okay, so in Perl, the sharp symbol represents the comment, so we can save our work. Select what language, so we are using Perl, and then we will select the folder. In this example, the folder that I'm created is, the name is Perl. Open, and then I will type the file name first, circumference.pl, and then we click the save button. Okay, next I will assign a constant $pi. Let's say that the value of this is 3.1416. Then we have here to print, and then we have the title, new line, \t, horizontal tab, escape sequence. If you learn how to use C or C++, even Java, this escape sequence character can be applied also in Perl. Title, area, circumference, of the circle solver in Perl. We put a semicolon to terminate the statement. We'll copy this one. Next, we will ask the user to give the radius. Give, enter the radius value. Jump, open parenthesis, $radius, space equals less than, greater than, semicolon. Now here, this statement asks the user to give a value that to be stored in our $radius variable. The jump command in Perl enables us to accept input value from the user that will be stored temporarily to our variable. Next, we will have assignment state variable solve to multiply by $pi multiply again by radius semicolon. Now this expression tells us that how we solve the circumference of the circle. Next, we will have another assignment statement. This assignment statement will allow us to display the result into two decimal places by using the statement printf sprintf open parenthesis percent 2.2 two decimal places, f for float real number, and then we have here solve. We will copy this one and then we have here print again horizontal tab /t the circumference of the circle is $result. Just the end of program that tells the user that the program has ended. Now let us save. So let us recap the things that we done, no? So here we have here the comment of our program, and then we define here a variable $pi value of the circle, and then we have here input from the user. We have here the title. We ask input of the radius from the user, and then we have here the computation section of our code, and then the display of the result, and then end of the program. Now the next step that we will do is to run our program to check for syntax error and testing of our program. We go to our terminal. We simply issue this command Perl and then circumference.pl. Make sure that you type the whole file name including the extension. Press the enter key. We have an error in line 8, actually in line 5. Okay, again our screen. Okay, in the radius we can have example in our circumference of the circle server in Perl. Enter the radius value. Let's say for example we have 10, so the circumference of the circle is 62.83. End of the program. We have already done the testing and running the program successfully. So if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. Until to the next video tutorial, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Say until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now. Thank you.